Here to do a little unboxing of a parang that I just received. So I thought I'd share it with everybody. It's the box it came in. Condor Knife and Tool Company. It says that it was quality control, and it looks like this parang was made in November of 2011. There it is. Nicely packaged. Got a Condor catalog. Shows all their different knives, machetes, tools, and so on. Pretty cool. And little information about carbon steel. Because that'll, for people that don't know about rust, a little information on how to prevent that. I like it so far. It seems to be very, very well made. Oh yeah, that is nice. It's got Condor right on the back of the blade, and it's got Condor stamped on the side. Nice edge. Feels reasonably sharp. It's about as sharp as I'd want a machete or parang to be. It's got a brass sleeve that goes all the way through the handle there. It's nice for your lanyard. That'll keep the lanyard from tearing the wood up. The blade length on this is 17.5 inches, and the overall is 24 inches. It weighs 1.5 pounds. Here's a buck paradigm little size comparison. And a Spyderco Sage. Give you an idea of how big this thing is. The length of the knives, these smaller pocket knives, are just about to here from the end of the handle, so it's pretty big. Did a nice job polishing the blade. Love that. Came with the sheath. I ordered the sheath. This was 24 bucks. The Condor logo. It's pretty thick leather. Say for the $24 that I paid for this sheath, I'd say it's well worth it. It's the first time I've done this. See how it goes in here. It's a little tight fit right now. I think that once I use it a few times, it'll loosen up. It's very secure. I mean, it's not coming out of there. So I just got back, and the Condor Parang just did excellent. Very, very happy with it. Can't wait to do some more things with it when I go camping. Anyway, get yourself one. You'll love it.
Sé que es cierto lo que dice